Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another video sponsored by Hairvivi. This is another fake scalp unit. I haven't reviewed one of these in a while. As you can see, it has the beautiful mocha color material in the front. There's two combs on the side, one in the back, as well as an adjustable elastic band. As you guys can see, this unit comes with a perfectly plucked hairline that doesn't require any additional plucking on your part. This unit does have an ample amount of parting space. You're going to get about 6 inches of parting space, and it can be freely parted to fit your needs. I am going to do a no baby hair install today. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the hairline out just to give those light baby hairs that aren't baby hairs look that I like to do. Now I'm going to take some of my Lotta Body mousse and just apply this to the hairline to help lay this down. And I'm gonna just apply some mousse at the top just to help it lay more flat. I'm gonna tie this down with this wrap strip just to let that set for a little bit. And this is what it looks like once the mousse has dried. As you guys know, the hairline will appear to be more plucked the lighter your skin complexion is. As you guys will see once I try this on, it will not give as much of a plucked appearance. However, it should be good enough for this install. Okay dolls, so now this wig is ready to be installed. And since this is a fake cap, I won't be wearing this stocking cap underneath. Oh God, my hair is a little ratchet underneath, y'all. No judgment. I don't know why I keep cutting my hair and I never wear it out. Let me try this on before I cut the lace just to get an idea of what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what the fake scalp looks like against my skin. As you can see, it comes with the premium lace that Hairvivi always carries. And I'm going to go ahead and proceed and cut the lace off. So this is what the lace is looking like before I glue it down. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace on the other side. Now I don't want to apply any powder to this unit, so I'm going to spray a thin layer of my tinting spray just along the front of the hairline, just so that it all blends in with my complexion. Okay, and this is the difference of what the lace looks like after I spray the tinting spray. This is the equivalent of adding some makeup to the inside of the lace. This just kind of helps blend it better. I found a spray that perfectly matches my skin and I love it. So I'm gonna do a simple install using the Gots to Be Glue holding spray. Let me clean up any glue that's on the hairline before I tie it down. Now I'm gonna tie it down with my elastic band to set that in for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. I went ahead and I added the makeup back to my forehead, and you guys can already see how nice this is laying. Such a simple install. Hairvivi, when they package the hair, sometimes it gets this little bump on the end, and I don't really know how to recreate it for some reason. It seems so simple, but when I try to curl it, it be over bumped. So I'm gonna try to leave that. Let me go ahead and just lay this parting area down a little bit better using my wax stick. Last, I'm going to add just a little bit of powder to the front of the parting space just to get that to blend. I'm just plucking this part just a little bit to open it up. And for those of you who sometimes complain about your knots being over bleached, all you got to do is add some of this root touch-up color. Just kind of smear it along your hand just to get it on. And just so it's nice and evenly distributed. And you just add this to the root. Now you could just leave it like this and go about your business. So let me give you a close-up of what this hairline looks like. As you can see, it's very natural looking. Other than that, I think I'm gonna try to bump this going the other way. Add a little hair gloss. So dolls, that's pretty much it. As you can see, it doesn't take much to lay this unit. That's what I like to call the Hairvivi difference. Let me turn around real quick and let you guys see what the back look like. Everything you need to do is already pretty much done for you, and it's super beginner friendly. So dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I will have everything linked in the description box down below. And before we get out of here, summertime's coming. You guys know you gotta have a good bob in your rotation. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, be sure and check out one of my other videos. I'm sure you'll enjoy it just as well. It is always important you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.